Alright guys, so I've had my 2019 Ram for about 6,000 miles. I bought it in January with 15,000 miles on it. It's getting about that time. I'm going to put a cabin air filter on it. So I figured I'd make a how-to. So, come along, let's get after it. Alright, first things first, come in here, open up your glove box. You'll see the retention cord that allows it to drop slow. Just take it, put your finger behind it, pull forward, pop that out of the way. Alright, next, grab underneath of the floor box. There's 3 hinges that it just snaps down onto the dash. Just pop them up and work it out. That'll drop right down to the floor, out of your way. Alright, now that the glove box is out of the way, the hard work's done. Come in here, you'll find the air box with the cabin air filter. Be mindful, man, it's dirty in here. Be mindful of the airflow markings. There's 2 latches on this cover. One right here, one back here. Pull that out of the way, and there is your cabin filter. Once again, if you look closely, you'll see the airflow arrow facing straight down, and you just slide it out. Once you've got that out, then you can go on and grab your new filter. In my case, I got this STP one. That's all the auto parts store had at the time. Part number CAF1864P. I wanted to get something a little nicer, but that'll do for now. That one's pretty gross. See, it was pretty well done. Time for it to go away. Next, you slide your cabin air filter back in. Yes, the font's upside down, but if you remember your markings, they're facing down. So, here we are. Now, let's put the cover back on. Snap that one. Snap it all in. Make sure it's fastened. Alright, let's put the glove box in. Be done with this job. Start off by lining up the tabs that swing down when you close the glove box. Get those up inside the box. And then get the lower portion of the box in those hinges, and they just snap back in. Good to go. Now, you reach over here, your cord that drops down should be just chilling over here. You pull it out and line it up with the glove box, lift up on it a little bit, slide it in, snap it in. Good to go. Job's done. Alright, if that's something you all enjoy, let me know. I'll keep posting these types of videos, that sort of thing, as I learn this 2019 and some of the helpful hints to help the 5th gen Rams. Of course, we got Moose over here keeping a watchful eye on us. Gotta have that. And I might start getting into some videos of my 2nd gen over there. It's Money Pit. But make sure to subscribe, comment, tell me what you liked, what you didn't like. I'm still learning. And thanks for watching.